Ever wondered how businesses first learned to manage big teams efficiently? It all started with classical management theory. In this video, we'll learn how classical management theory started, its key thinkers, and how it shaped the way businesses run today. During the Industrial Revolution, machines made production faster and cheaper. This cut costs for consumers, demand for goods exploded, and companies needed even more efficiency, not just from machines, but from their workers too. That's where classical management theory came in. It aimed to bring structure, clear roles, and systematic ways to boost productivity in this new industrial world. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, three big thinkers shaped this theory. Frederick brought efficiency through scientific management. Henri Fayol developed principles for running whole organizations. And Max Weber introduced clear hierarchies and rules with bureaucratic management. Taylor's approach studied tasks in detail, breaking jobs into smaller parts and timing them to find the one best way to work. Meanwhile, Fayol looked at management as a whole. He emphasized planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, principles still used by managers today. Lastly, Weber advanced bureaucracy, a structured hierarchy, clear rules, and defined responsibilities to keep organizations running smoothly and fairly. As a result, classical management brought order to messy workplaces, cut costs, increased productivity, clarified roles, and formalized training so work was done consistently. We've just seen how Taylor's one best way, Fayol's principles, and Weber's rules brought order to chaos. Curious how much you're remembering? Your personalized practice test, flashcard set, and study guide are all waiting for you. Just tap the link now and keep watching. Future you will thank you. With the essentials locked in, it's time for the other side of the story. Classical management wasn't perfect. Critics argued it treated workers like machines, focusing more on output than on people's needs. Even so, classical management laid the foundation for modern workplaces. Its focus on efficiency and structure still shapes how organizations run today. Now, with greater attention to people, let's recap. Classical management theory emerged during the Industrial Revolution to make workplaces more efficient. Taylor brought scientific methods. Fayol introduced administrative principles, and Weber built structured systems, forming the backbone of modern management. Now that you've watched the video, let's see how much you remember. Head to the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.